everybody, in this lesson we're going to learn how to play Melody in F by Kohler, which is A2 in the 2025-2026 ABRSM Grade 1 exam book. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Melody in F is a beautiful lyrical piece where we have lots of legato in both hands, both the right hand and the left hand, so we want fluency all the way through. And we are in 3/4, so we have this dancey feel, the 1, 2, 3, 3/4 note beats in every bar, and the key signature is B flat, so we are in the key of F major, so don't forget every B is going to be flat. The left hand is actually quite simple. It's broken chords all the way through, and we want to play these broken chords gently, lightly in the background so we can emphasize the melody, which is in the right hand. And you want to play it very evenly without any hesitations or speeding ups and slowing downs unless it's the end of a section. The left hand starts in this F major position, and whenever you play broken chords you want to keep a very rounded hand, and you want to make sure that the wrist is very soft and is allowed to move with the notes. So having a kind of a circular motion with these broken chords to make sure that the articulation is very clean and we have a good legato between the notes, but we're not sustaining the notes like this. You don't want that. You want clean legato. So let's play through the left hand from beginning to end, starting in this F chord. 1, 1, 2, 3, F chord, moving down to the D chord, then C major and back to F. Bar 9. Now a D minor, a G7, and coming down on this beautiful C7. And here you can do a little bit of diminuendo, quieting down as you're coming back and going back to repeat the melody. And watch out for the fingering when you do this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to 5 in bar 17. Let's go on. F major, F sharp, G minor, and down to E, F major, and coming down again, back to F major, down to the E flat, D, B flat, an F chord in second inversion, and finishing very gently on an F major chord. So C7 and then F major. And that's the left hand, so fairly simple, just keeping a nice fluency from beginning to end, playing it very slowly in the beginning and watching out for those moments where the hand is moving or changing position from this very comfortable F position at the start. The right hand has the tune, it's very easy to read and to count, but you need to make sure that you play with a very rich, deep key attack so the melody really shines above that left hand. So let's start number 3 on the A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And here we have our first 2-note slur, and we have these accents on some of the notes. Now usually an accent is quite a strong pressure on the note, but because this piece is so lyrical, you want to make sure that these accents are stronger, but not in a way that it pokes out from the melody line. So a slight pressure on those notes where you see the accent. Let's go on. 1, 2, 3, very legato, and lift. Bar 9, number 1 on the A. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, B natural and C. Bar 17. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, B flat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Bar 25. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we have ritenuto at the end, so slowing down before the ending a little bit and letting everything calm down. Now, dynamics-wise, as you can see, the first line is piano, the second line is mezzo forte, then mezzo piano and piano. These dynamic shadings are very close to each other, so try to make it a little bit more obvious when you play P and MF. The MF should feel stronger than the P, and then the MP could be again quieter, and the final line should be the quietest. So the more dynamics you can create, the nicer it's going to sound. Now let's put it together. The key thing is to let the left hand flow continuously, counting for the right hand, and making sure that the right hand is louder than the left hand accompaniment, because you want the melody to be in prime focus. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, D, C major, and back to F. Next line. Number 1 on the A. G7, and coming down on this beautiful C7 scale. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G minor. And now quietly. Slowing down. And we got to the end, and that was melody in F. So really, it's a beautiful legato piece, and the key difficulties are to keep the left hand very even all the way through, very clean, and to make sure the right hand melody is emphasized over the left hand, and add a little bit of dynamics.